Hi, I'm Daniel LeBon. Welcome to the Fourth Revolution, where I discuss stocks for your portfolio of the future. So I'm going to be discussing the online brokerage shakeup as of late. The most recent development in the shakeup has been the Charles Schwab TD Ameritrade deal that has been set onto the news as of last night. And this is a huge development, as these both are some of the largest online brokerages in the business today. So Charles Schwab is planning on taking over TD Ameritrade, and this would be a combined deal that would create over $5 trillion in total assets under management. So investors loved it. You can see over the last 24 hours, TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab have boomed. Charles Schwab, the acquiring firm, this is kind of an anomaly. The acquiring firm is up over 7% today, and TD Ameritrade, the acquiree, is up almost 20%. And this is due to a lot of consolidation ideas coming into this. So recently, brokerages, as of October 1st, cut commissions completely. There had been a war on commissions, so to speak, as these discount brokers fight for the lowest commissions, and this is kind of a fight for customers. And you can see October 1st, we saw a huge drop off, as these commissions were some of these firms' largest revenue drivers. And this obviously is going to instill fear in investors and traders across the market. But they've tracked back quite a bit as management explains their thesis, and understanding that more customers coming from these lower fees is going to create more long-term revenues. But this deal between Charles Schwab and TD Ameritrade is huge for the industry. It's actually something that I thought was naturally and inevitably going to happen as these commissions were cut out, because economies of scale are going to be very necessary moving forward once you cut out these top-line drivers. So some of the smaller firms like E-Trade have kind of dropped off today with concerns of these economies to scale being discovered by TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab. And it's something that I think they need to fear. And I think further consolidation will be seen in this space. It's just a matter of time and who's going to be next. So this whole idea of commission-free trading was pioneered by Robinhood. And Robinhood started in 2014, and they were just a small startup company. People didn't really trust them to begin with. It's like commission-free, free trading, and no one's ever heard of it. So, but they gained a lot of popularity with the millennials and Gen Zs and people who are just trying to dip their toes in the market waters, so to speak. And I think that this company has huge potential. They've already gained 6 million users so far, and this was a market share that these other large brokerages, they couldn't ignore it. So they inevitably had to cut their fees to zero to compete with this kind of company. And I think this merger between TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab is going to be huge for both of these firms. And that's why we saw big jumps today in their stock. And I'm excited to see what this platform is going to bring moving forward, especially as a retail investor like me. These platforms are already great platforms. So what can this combined company, these combined synergies bring to the market? So I'm excited to see it. I think there's still larger upside to both of these stocks. And I would expect to see, like I said earlier, more consolidation in the space and more exciting moves moving forward in the online brokerages. So right now, Robinhood is not publicly traded, but they're planning on doing it. There's been rumors about it for the last year or so. So look for that moving forward. I think this company has a ton of potential, especially as they gain more and more market traction. But thank you for watching The Fourth Revolution. I look forward to speaking to you guys next time.